Welcome to the Maynard's block in Falls Creek, where heritage charm meets modern contemporary living. This iconic community consists of 3 buildings with resort-like amenities. Today we're going to be touring a 1-bedroom plus den plus solarium with secure parking. Let's go in and take a look. Living here means you're steps away from Canada Line, Olympic Village, Granville Island, downtown Vancouver, and all the stylish restaurants and shops that make this one of the city's most vibrant neighborhoods. All right, as we step inside, we're greeted by a welcoming foyer. Right off the entry, we have our flex space, perfect for storage, home office, or maybe even a study. And just right beside that, we have our 4-piece bathroom, finished with modern touches. And down the hall, we have our coat closet to keep everything organized. And tucked away, you have your own washer and dryer for your convenience. And here, the home transitions into the kitchen. It's sleek, it's modern, with beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and it just flows with beautiful hardwood flooring throughout to the living and dining space. The living and dining area is a good size, perfect for entertaining or just everyday life. And just around the corner, we have our bright solarium, ideal for a nursery, indoor garden, or even a home office. The bedroom is generously sized with a large closet. You have plenty of space to recharge after a long day. All right, welcome to the gym. And we have our yoga studio right over here. Over around the corner, we have our lounge. If you'd like to see this home in person, I'd love to show you around. I'm Carolina Crane with BC Condos and Homes and at Remax Crest Realty. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.